Right, the story continues. Just reassembly, just for future reference. There's a grub screw under the tyre that allows you to take the wheels and the ring gear off. We'll start reassembling, putting the engine back in, all the bits and bobs. Won't take long, there's not much to it, is there? Right, I'll show you some more as I put it back together. Right, just going to put the engine in. I forgot I had to drill one of the bolts out because it was seized solid, so I'm one short. So I have got in my box of tricks some countersunk Allens. So what I'll do, I'll countersink the holes so these sit in nice and flush. Just tidy the job up a little bit. As luck happens, these fit in the bottom there and they screw in a treat. So I'll countersink these 4 holes and then we'll stick it back on there, tidy it up a bit. So I countersunk the 4 holes, deburred them, I've bolted the plate to the chassis. I'll flip it around, get the engine bolted in, and then that's pretty much the chassis rebuilt. Right, that's the engine bolted back in, holes countersunk, plates done, engine's in. Looking at it, it ain't the original engine for it, which is a shame because you can see they've done a bit of work to make the exhaust fit. But I'll keep bolting stuff back together. Hopefully it'll be up and running very soon. I've been having a little think. Seems the engine's not original. Do I add some modern bits to it, do something interesting so I can use it, or do I keep on restoring it to its original state? All the carburetor and everything's done now. I thought maybe stick a new wing on. I put some little collars in here and then bolted it down. The way I see it is all these, you know, they're pretty shit. Do I keep on with the original build, or do I do something a little bit more modern, you know, make a new one of these out of stainless steel, or get some new perspex, some modern switchgear? I don't know. I'll have a think. If any of you know what it's worth or if it's collectible or not, leave a comment. I'd love to know. Thanks. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell button.